Do you want to sell digital products on Amazon? Today I'm showing you the two best ways, Amazon KDP and Merch by Amazon. I've published over 100 books on KDP and made thousands of sales in both platforms. Amazon handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. You just need to create and then you start earning. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I teach people how to start side hustles and build passive income. I've sold over 27,000 in digital downloads on Etsy, all while working a full-time job. I've published over 100 KDP books, and I made 36,000 print-on-demand sales. And my goal is to help you build your first profitable side hustle this month. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly side hustle updates and tutorials. So let's break down both platforms, how they work, what you can sell, and which one is right for you. So what is Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP stands for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and KDP lets you publish and sell ebooks, paperbacks, journals, sketchbooks, coloring books, workbooks, and even hardcover books, all directly on Amazon with zero upfront costs. And here's why it's so powerful. It has a massive reach. Millions of customers in over 100 different countries, built-in customer base already searching, and it's zero upfront costs. It's Amazon print on demand, no inventory or minimum orders. And you still keep all of your control. You own your own book, you set your own price, and you can unpublish it at any time. So what can you sell on Amazon KDP? You can sell ebooks, novels, guides, recipe books, and children books, paperbacks, low-content books, journals, planners, notebooks, sketchbooks, coloring books, activity books, workbooks, and logbooks. Low-content books are huge on KDP. These are books where customers fill in the content, like journals, planners, and logbooks. You design the pages once, upload it, and earn royalties with every sale. And here's how KDP works in 5 easy steps. Step 1, you create your account. So to create your account, you go to kdp.amazon.com, and I have all these links in the description down below. Then you'll sign into your Amazon account. You'll add your tax info and your payment info. And step 2 is you create your book. You design your interior pages, your cover, and format it as PDF. And I use Canva for most of my books. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial, I have a video here. And step number 3 is to upload it to KDP. You'll click Create New Title, enter your book details, description, keywords, upload interior and your cover PDFs, and then you set your price. Shameless plug, but I actually have a KDP starter kit, so if you want a shortcut, the link is in the description down below. And step number 4, you click publish. Amazon reviews this within 24 to 72 hours, and then it goes live on Amazon. And step number 5, you earn royalties. So when a customer buys your book, Amazon prints it, it ships it, and you earn royalties for each sale. And royalties are simple. Ebooks are priced between $2.99 and $9.99, and so you earn around 70%. Paperbacks earn about 60% minus printing costs. An example is a sale price of $9.99. Printing costs can be around $3.50. Amazon takes a cut, so about $2, so your royalty would be around $4.49 per book, which isn't bad for passive income. So what is Merch by Amazon? Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand platform where you upload designs for t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and more. And here's how it works. You create graphic or text designs, you upload it to Merch by Amazon, you choose the products that you want it to appear on, t-shirts, hoodies, totes, phone cases, then you set your price. You choose the title, the listing, and the bullet points. Amazon handles everything. It lists your product on Amazon, prints on demand, ships to customers, and it handles customer service. Then you earn royalties. Set your price, Amazon takes its cut, then you keep the difference. The catch? You need to apply and get accepted. It's not open like KDP. To get accepted, you'll apply at merch.amazon.com. Sometimes approval can take weeks or months. You'll start at tier 10, which means you have 10 different designs that you can upload. And as you make sales, you'll start to tier up. 10, 25, 100, 500, 1,000, or 10,000 like I have. So what merch sells on Amazon? Some of my favorite are text-based designs. Super easy to create, super easy to upload. I have thousands and thousands of these uploaded, and some were so easy. You can do niche hobbies and interests, holiday and seasonal designs, occupation-specific, teacher, nurse, mom, dad, even pet lover designs. Sometimes generic designs get lost, so I would choose a niche design that speaks to a specific group. So what platform should you choose? Let me help you compare them. Amazon KDP pros are you can start today with no application. There's higher royalty per sale, great for books and planners, and there's long-term passive income potential. Some of the cons are there's more design work per product, and sometimes it can be competitive in the niches. I would say it's best for people who enjoy creating books, building long-term income, and people that have educational content. Merch by Amazon pros. You design it once, apply to multiple products. There's lower time per design, viral potential, and it's easy to scale. And some of the cons, the application required. You start with only 10 slots, and it's a lower royalty per sale, and it's pretty competitive. It's best for scalable designs and people that truly want passive income. My take? Start with KDP because you can begin today. Apply to merch while you're building your KDP catalog. If accepted, run both. I do both and they complement each other really nicely. Sometimes I put my t-shirt designs on the cover of a journal. And here are my top tips for both platforms. For KDP, niche down, target specific audiences, not generic. Optimize listings, use keywords, compelling descriptions, great covers, create series and build variations of winners, test and iterate and double down on what sells. And for merch, research first, study bestsellers, find gaps, choose simple, bold designs, make sure they're readable in thumbnails and have high contrast. Target niches like hobbies, occupations, specific groups, and optimize bullets, include keywords, key phrases, and describe it clearly. Both platforms reward consistency. Don't upload one product and expect magic. Upload 20, 50, 100, and let them compound. If you want to start with Amazon KDP, I've created a complete KDP starter kit with Canva templates, keyword guides, listing checklists, niches, step-by-step tutorials, and even more. You can grab it in the link in the description down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, do it now. I post KDP tutorials, digital product strategies, and side hustle tips every week. Check out my complete Amazon KDP playlist for deep dive tutorials on creating books, optimizing your listings, and scaling your business. So what platform are you starting with today? KDP or merch? Let me know in the comments down below. Now go create something and get it on Amazon. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.